Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everyone, my name is McKay Kimball from SOLVD.cloud, and I'm a Salesforce consultant who specializes in business automation. Today, I'll be addressing an important question about AI, which is the driver behind business automation. The buzz around AI is everywhere, and for good reason. It can completely change how your business operates. But with all the hype, business leaders should still have one important question in mind. What steps does my business need to take to keep sensitive data safe while still making the most of AI tools? The truth is, you can't just throw your valuable information into a public AI tool and hope for the best. But that doesn't mean you have to miss out on AI's benefits. There's a playbook for using AI safely, and it comes down to a few core strategies. The most fundamental and accessible strategy is to simply use an enterprise-grade platform. Forget about the free public AI tools you've heard about. They aren't built for business privacy. An enterprise platform is designed for professional use. The provider offers a legal and binding agreement that your data will not be used to train their public models. These platforms also include built-in features for regulatory compliance, like GDPR, and give you administrative controls to manage user access and monitor data activity within your org. This is the ideal path for businesses that want a powerful off-the-shelf solution with strong privacy protections without having to manage complex infrastructure. For businesses that need a higher level of control, the second strategy is to operate within a secure cloud environment. This approach gives you the scalability and flexibility of a cloud with the security of a private network. You work with a major cloud provider, but you set up a dedicated, isolated network just for your company. All your data and AI processing stay within this secure bubble. It's a great solution for companies that want to build custom AI applications and need to control data location and security settings down to the smallest detail. It's a perfect balance between robust security and the convenience of the cloud. For the highest level of security and control, the third strategy is to use an on-premise solution. With this approach, all your data and all the AI processing happen on your own physical servers located inside your building. Your data never leaves your network. This is the top-tier security choice and is typically required for highly regulated industries where data sovereignty is a legal mandate. The trade-off is a significant investment in hardware and a specialized IT team to manage the entire system. No matter which of these three strategies you choose, there's one universal technique you can use to enhance security. That's Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. Here's how it works. Instead of giving a sensitive document to an AI, your system first retrieves just the relevant information from your private secure database. It then provides only that small piece of data to the AI model as context for its response. This ensures the AI never sees your original private source document while still allowing it to give you the perfect answer. So there you have it. The answer to AI privacy isn't avoidance. It's about making a strategic choice. By understanding these options, from enterprise platforms to private clouds to on-premise solutions, you can confidently use AI to transform your business while keeping your most valuable asset, your data, completely secure. To learn more about AI and how you can automate your business, check us out here in our Solved.cloud YouTube profile. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.